Organizing content on the home page. Due to accessibility concerns, we have recently made significant updates to this content. At first glance, the changes may not look significant. However, all content on the new homepage is now responsive, meaning that the images will automatically resize based on the device being used. You will now need to update the course-specific content and relink the course pages to the homepage buttons. You will need to retype the content from the old page to the new homepage. We cannot copy and paste on this page because we need to maintain the formatting. To locate the new homepage, click on Pages. View all pages. Select 2017 Homepage Template. To edit the page, click on the Edit in the upper right corner of the page. Step 1. Enter the course code, course name, and course department in the spaces provided. Step 2. Enter the module names in the space provided above the module button. If you do not use modules in your course, skip this step. Delete any module buttons that are not being used. Once you are done entering the course code, course name, department name, and module names, click Save. Step 5. You will now need to check the 4 quick links located in the middle of the page to make sure they are linking to their appropriate locations. If the links are not working properly, you will need to repair those links. Step 5A. All links will be located on the right side of the page under Links. Step 5B. The blue Getting Started button in the middle of the page will need to be linked to the course syllabus page under Course Navigation. Just click on the button to highlight it and then click on the course syllabus under Course Navigation. Once this is linked, you will see the button flash a yellow color. Step 5C. The Online Essentials button is already linked to the correct page from the eCampus website. Just double check that it is opening correctly by saving the home page and clicking on the button. Step 5D. The Instructor Contact Information button will need to be linked to the Instructor Contact Information page. Step 5E. The Department Information button will need to be linked to the Department Information page. Step 6. You will now need to relink the module buttons to the existing modules in the course. To do this, you will link the buttons using the Module Links area of the page. Step 7. If you have added additional images to the homepage, you will need to make sure those images are accessible by adding alternative text. Please refer to the face-to-face guide for more detailed instructions. Step 8. For the final step of the home page, You will need to set the new homepage as the course homepage and delete the original page. Step 8A. Click on Pages. Step 8B. Click View All Pages. Step 8C. Identify the name of the original homepage in the course. Step 8D. You can choose to unpublish or delete the page by clicking on the gear icon to the right. Step 8E. Locate the new page titled Home Page Template. For reference, using the term home page and front page are synonymous in Canvas. Selecting to make the home page template your front page is the same as home page. Step 8F. Click the gear icon at the far right of that line. Step 8H. Select Use as Front Page. You have successfully completed Step 5. Now we will move on to Step 6, Organizing Content on the Syllabus page.